Cryptocurrency is digital money. It's like online cash. People use it to buy and sell things on the internet. Bitcoin is a popular type of cryptocurrency. In India, more people are interested in cryptocurrency. It's new and exciting. Many people are curious about how to use it. Cryptocurrency is different from regular money. It's not controlled by the government or banks. This makes it special. People are using cryptocurrency for investments. They hope to make money as the value goes up. The laws about cryptocurrency in India are still being made. This can be confusing for people. The government is working on making rules. Right now, you can buy and sell cryptocurrency in India, but there are taxes on the profits. It is important to pay your taxes correctly. The government is working on making cryptocurrency safer. They want to stop bad things like fraud. It is important to stay updated. The rules about cryptocurrency can change. Follow the news from the government and banks. To start trading crypto, you need to choose a platform. These are like online shops for cryptocurrency. WazirX and CoinDCX are popular options in India. Once you choose a platform, you need to create an account. This is like making an email account. You will need to provide some personal information. After creating your account, you need to verify your identity. This is important for safety. You might need to upload a photo of your PAN card or Aadhaar card. Now you are ready to buy cryptocurrency. You can start with a small amount. Remember to learn as you go and don't invest more than you can afford to lose. Protecting your cryptocurrency is very important. It's like keeping your real money safe. Use strong passwords for your accounts. Don't share your passwords with anyone. Keep them secret. Be careful about scams. Some people try to trick others online. Learn about different ways to store your cryptocurrency. Some platforms offer wallets to keep it safe. You can also use hardware wallets for extra security. Remember, investing in cryptocurrency has risks. The value can go up or down. Start small and learn as you go.